Hi, fellow viewers, to everybody. Good evening. My name is Steve Hoong. As what I've said, I'm the former depositor of Bangko Pilipino in Dumaguete branch. By the way, to all viewers, if you are asking where is this Dumaguete branch located, it is located in former Central Visayas region or Region 7 under the province of Negros Oriental. Right now, it goes back again in Negros Island region or NIR. In other words, it became from Region 7, it became Region 18. Kaya nagkaroon ng konting kalituhan itong issue na ito, itong province namin. Actually, may existing branch na siya, yung Dumaguete branch, ang Bangko Filipino, kaya na-open siya for the second time. So, ayun, naka siya on the spot, yung 1997. So, yun na po. By the way, ang Bacolod ay hindi na-reopen dahil parang may certain requirements or parang may nakita silang it's hard to explain. Hindi naman deficit, yung na-affected talaga yung sa 1985 closure, yung illegal closure ng Central Bank that time. So, kahit ako nga, I was just only 4 years old that time. 4 years old. It's hard to believe na nagkaganito na nga. By the way, ang aking next topic sa Bangko Pilipino, as what I've said, all my videos are chapter by chapter. Masasabi natin, yes, wala katapusan, pero all of my videos has a meaning. May ibig sabihin lahat yan. Hindi to storytelling, hindi to marites. Okay. May nag-chat sa akin the other day, I think Friday night. Ang chat sa akin, Sir Steve, posible ba kung magkaroon ng third opening? Yan posible ba magkaroon ng reopen or for the third time na magkakaroon ng branch or main office sa Taguig? Kasi dati walang Taguig. To be honest. Taguig or Taguig City, wala talaga. Walang branch sa Bangko Pilipino. The answer is yes, it's possible kasi we cannot tell. Kasi ang panahon pabago-bago. Tulad yung nangyari sa Escolta, napansin niya, di ba? Ang Escolta ngayon na nabago that time. Nalipat na sa Ortigas, which is in Pasig, or Makati, yung financial capital of the not only in the Philippines but the world, no? Makati. Ngayon, yung tinatawag na Bonifacio Global City o BGC, possible din. By the way, ang magdidecide yan ang main office or ang board of directors. Pero para sa akin, kung akong tatanungin, Makati, pwede din Taguig. By the way, ang topic natin is tungkol sa Taguig City. Kung just in case ako ang tatanungin, pabor ako na magkaroon ng BGC branch kasi ang mga negosyante doon walang control. Kasi magtatanong sila sa sarili na, saan bangko natin i-deposit? So, yun. For the meantime, no choice. Kukuhan sila. Yung mga AAA banks like Metrobank, BDO, Union Bank, China Bank. Pero kung in terms of savings bank, ayun, City Savings Bank lang or PS Bank. I'm not so sure kung meron na Makati ang City Savings Bank. Pero alam ko yung iba like China Bank Savings, yan yung dating Manila Bank. So, yun. So, ang point ko dito is, this is my answer. Yes, it's possible in the future, na baka magkaroon ng Taguig branch inside of Bonifacio Global City or BGC. Ibig sabihin, sakop ng Taguig City. So, yan na po ang aking important part na message na ito sa video. Of course, maraming proseso yan at maraming steps to follow. Okay, thank you so much for listening in this video. Yes, of course, marami pang susunod na chapters tungkol sa Bangko Pilipino. Thank you so much for listening. Good evening.